In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to level up fast in Insurgency Sandstorm. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly level up in Insurgency Sandstorm. You will be able to climb up the ranks by following these general guides that I'm gonna give you, and you will be able to level up quickly. So first, prioritize objectives. Focus on completing the primary and secondary objectives in each match. Working as a team and coordinating your attacks will efficiently achieve objectives, and by doing them, you will be able to earn the maximum amount of XP each match. Next, master different classes and weapons. So by experimenting with different classes, you will be able to try out various different classes to find your strengths and weaknesses. Familiarize yourself with a variety of weapons to increase your overall skill, and you will be able to earn more objectives with ease. Next, aim for kill streaks. Kill streaks will give you bonus XP and medals as well, so complete specific tasks to earn medals. By varying the guns that you are using, the classes that you are using, you will be able to complete various different objectives back to back to back, and always play consistently. With regular gameplay, the more you play, the faster that you will level up. You have to be aware of the daily and weekly challenges for additional XP rewards, and by joining a clan, you can actually get some benefits. So look into joining a group so all of you can always play together, beat the maximum amount of matches that you can per day, and increase your chances of completing objectives, getting kill streaks, and getting good matches. By watching others play, learning, you will be able to get better and consequently complete more objectives, which in turn earn you more XP, and you will be able to learn and level up faster and faster on Insurgency Sandstorm. There is no secret, it's all about constant gameplay in completing those objectives. I hope I was able to help you on how to level up fast in Insurgency Sandstorm. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.